We're very grateful that the United Nations Rapporteur is here visiting us here in Aotearoa. We have petitioned the United Nations last year with regards to the Crown's behaviour towards us with regards to our treaty settlement. So what we hope to get is that recognition of the fact that there has been a breach of the Waitangi Tribunal Treaty, and there is enough evidence for us to show that the Crown has behaved in a very, 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 very wrong way, and how it is that they have legislated particular laws in order to cancel out any claims that we have. For te iwi Māori o Aotearoa, we're still fighting the fight to be treated equally, to have our claims acknowledged and recognised, and to be more better compensated for what was taken from us.